everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily update your bio on your Tinder app and can change your bio on your Tinder app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family who also want to do the same and can do it accordingly. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you will just go to your Tinder app first. Make sure you're logged in with the correct ID where you would like to change your Tinder bio, and then you will simply tap on this profile icon below. Tap on it, and here you can see this little pencil icon on your profile. Simply tap on that, and as you scroll down, you will simply see this option called About Me. So whatever you write on About Me section gonna be displayed on your profile when other people are using Tinder, and it shows on their Tinder app. Your bio will also be visible on your Tinder once you add in the words on your About Me section. So this is how you can change your bio, you can add your bio, update your bio, and can remove your bio entirely as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was useful to you guys and gave you the answer of your questions. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.